So up to now we completed pair of straight lines successfully. 4 worksheets we completed. Now we'll discuss a new thing. Let us see. We are familiar with a plane. A plane is a flat surface. On plane, the set of points from a fixed point with fixed distance. Set of points from a fixed point with fixed distance is called fixed point is called center and fixed distance is called radius. The set of points in a plane from a fixed point with fixed distance is called circle. Here fixed point is called center of a circle. Center is represented by C here, and fixed distance is called radius of a circle. Every point satisfies a geometrical condition. So circle is a locus. So we have discussed very first. So every point on circle satisfies a geometrical condition. Suppose the equation of a circle f of xy is equal to 0, then that is called a locus. Suppose radius is unity, then that is called unit circle. Radius is unit, then that is called unit circle. The radius is 0, which becomes, suppose the radius is 5 units, then suppose 4 units, 3 units, 2 units, 1 unit, which becomes 0, then which represents point circle. Which represents point circle. In point circle r equal to 0. In point circle r is equal to 0. Here any 2 points joining line segment on a circle is called a chord. Suppose A, suppose B, any 2 points joining circle, any 2 points joining line segment on a circle is called chord of a circle. So this is chord. The line passing through the 2 points is called secant to a circle. Suppose a point is passing through 2 points. Suppose a line is passing through 2 points of a circle, which becomes secant of a circle. For suppose the line is passing through the 2 points of a circle here, A and B, then which becomes secant to a circle. Now this is secant. Right? Secant of a circle. Coordinate axis x, y. Take a circle with center A comma B, circle with center A comma B, and its radius is R from a point x comma y. Take a point on a circle P x comma y, then equation of a circle is, suppose C is the center of a circle, no? Center is here A comma B, and a point on circle is P x comma y. Then equation of a circle is Cp square is equal to R square. So x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to R square whole square, which is equal to, that implies x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to R square. This is the equation of a circle with center A comma B and a point P is on a circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to R square. Let us rewrite this equation. X square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square minus 2by plus b square minus R square equal to 0. X square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by plus a square plus b square minus R square is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle. Here we have to notice the points, the coefficient of x square and y square are equal. X square and y square coefficients are equal, and h is equal to 0. Xy coefficient is 0. Coefficient of x square and y square are same, and xy coefficient is 0. That means h is equal to 0 here. Coefficients of x square and y square are same, and xy coefficient is equal to 0. Xy coefficient is 0 means nothing but h is equal to 0. Here x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by plus a square plus b square minus R square is a second degree equation. Here x square and y square coefficients are equal, and xy coefficient is 0. So equation of a circle with center a comma b and radius R is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to R square. Equation to a circle, center is origin, center is origin, then which is equal to which is in the form of, suppose the center is a comma b, then equation of a circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Here center of a circle is origin, then which becomes, and radius is, center of a circle is origin and radius is r, then x square plus y square is equal to r square. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Understand? Next, radius of a circle is unit, then which is a unit circle? Radius of a circle is 0, which represents point circle. A line which is passing through any 2 points on a circle is called secant to a circle. Next, the equation represents a circle if, see, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle if g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. Theorem: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents a circle when g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. G square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. Here let us take the equation. Let us write x square plus 2gx plus y square plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, plus c is equal to 0, that can be written as c is equal to 0, c transfer to right side which becomes minus c, no? Minus c, adding g square and f square both sides, adding g square comma f square both sides, x square plus 2gx plus g square plus y square plus 2fy plus f square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Now which can be written as x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Now it can be written as x minus g whole square plus y minus of minus f whole square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. X minus of minus g whole square plus y minus of minus f whole square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Take square root on both sides, which becomes x minus of minus g whole square plus y minus of minus f whole square is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So see, x minus of minus g whole square plus y minus of minus f whole square is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c whole square, right? Here g square plus f square, this one, minus c greater than 0. I mean to say positive. Which represents a circle with center g square plus f square minus c greater than 0. That means which is positive, which represents a circle with center represents a circle with center minus g comma minus f and radius equal to g square plus f square minus c. Square root of g square plus f square minus c is the radius when g square plus f square minus c greater than 0. Now second case, suppose he said that g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. First case greater than 0 is taken. Now I am taking here g square plus f square minus c equal to 0, then the which represents a point circle point minus g minus f minus g minus f point circle. Radius is 0 here. That implies radius equal to 0. When the radius equal to 0, which represents a point circle, the point is here minus g minus f. Minus g minus f is a point circle with center, right? So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle when g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. G square plus f square greater than or equal to 0. To get that, we added here g square plus g square comma f square both sides, and finally case 1 greater than 0 I taken, which becomes a positive. Then the radius of a circle is square root of g square plus radius of a circle is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Then center is minus g minus f. So try to remember this. S is equal to, per suppose S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then center is minus g comma minus f. Radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Right? Next one. So which represents a point circle when radius becomes 0. Here the point is minus g comma minus f. Next thing, the conditions for a general equation represents a circle. See, general equation we know that x square plus y square in pair of straight lines. We know the general equation S is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle when first case a is equal to b not equal to 0. That means coefficients of A and coefficients of B are equal, and second one is H is equal to 0, and third case is G square plus F square minus AC greater than or equal to 0. G square plus F square minus AC greater than or equal to 0. So see here, this is also theorem. So conditions we are going to find here. General equation when it represents a circle, a equal to b equal to 0 and h is equal to 0 and g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. Take ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let us divide with a. X square plus 2h by a xy plus b by a y square plus 2g by a x plus 2f by a y plus c by a equal to 0. Let us assume that here, g dash is equal to g by a, comma f dash is equal to f by a, and c dash is equal to c by a. Now this implies x square plus 2ha xy plus b by a y square plus 2z dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash equal to 0. Clear? Now first condition, what is the first condition here? A is equal to b not equal to 0. Coefficient, that means coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient y square. That implies x square coefficient is 1, y square coefficient is b by a. That implies A is equal to B. First condition proved. Now second one, here the second thing is H equal to 0, that means xy coefficient is equal to 0. To represent a circle, xy coefficient is equal to 0, and very first only we discussed that suppose center is A comma B, is any point on a circle is P x comma y, then equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by plus c is equal to 0. X square and y square coefficients are same, and xy coefficient is equal to 0. Using that condition, here 2h by a, I mean to say xy coefficient is equal to 0, we have to write here. Xy coefficient equal to 0 implies 2h by a equal to 0 implies h is equal to 0. Now third one, g square plus f square, g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0, which becomes g square. G square is equal to radius is greater than or equal to 0 here. What is the radius here? Radius is greater than or equal to 0. So radius, as per our knowledge, before what we proved, radius is greater than or equal to 0. That means g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. G square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. So what is g square here? G square is g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. See, g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. In our equation, according to our equation, g square is equal to g dash square, f square is equal to f dash square minus c is equal to c dash greater than or equal to 0. That implies, what is g dash here? G dash is equal to z by a whole square plus f by b whole square minus c by a greater than or equal to 0. That implies f by b, f by a, this is f by a, not f by b. So g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. Hence it's proved. So once again listen. Suppose a general equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle, then a comma b, that means coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square, and at the same time which are not equal to 0, and h is equal to 0, I mean to say coefficient of xy is 0, and g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. So first I taken the equation and then I divided with a both sides, and I denoted here g dash and f dash and c dash, and then first condition I know that x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient. X square coefficient is equal to 1 and y square coefficient is equal to b by a. Then a is equal to b. Now xy coefficient is equal to 0. So xy is equal to here 2h by a is equal to 0. That means h is equal to 0. And then I have to prove g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. But I know that the radius is greater than or equal to 0. So according to my equation, according to this one, my g is g dash and f is f dash, c is c dash. So I substituted the values and finally I came to result g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. Right. Next one, concentric circles. We already known about it. Concentric circles means the circles which are having same center and different radii. Concentric circles. And two circles are having same center and with different radii are called concentric circles. So concentric circles are differ by only constant. Suppose equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and equation of a concentric circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus lambda. Here only the lambda is a difference. Lambda is nothing but a constant. Two circles are differ by only constant are called concentric circles. Suppose concentric circles. Circle and one more circle. For the circle is r as radius and second circle r1 as radius. Same center with different radii are called concentric circles. Concentric circles. Suppose equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Its concentric circle equation is equation of concentric circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus lambda equal to 0. The two concentric circles are differ with only constant. Next, equation of a circle described on the line segment AB. AB as a diameter is equation of a circle. Equation of a circle described on the line segment. This is also theorem. Equation of a circle on the line segment AB. A is equal to x1, y1 and B is equal to x2, y2. AB as diameter is AB as diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Clear? So here for this proof, circle having a diameter, the diameter is the longest chord of a circle which passes through the center of a circle. But suppose I am taking a point here P, x comma y is x1 comma y1 and p is equal to x2 comma y2. Here let us suppose that AP is perpendicular to PB. Then see here A not equal to A comma B not equal to P. A comma B not equal to P. That means A and B should not be coincides with P. Here we are taking AP is perpendicular to BP. That means AP, BP are perpendicular. When the two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is equal to -1. When the two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slopes is -1. So slope of AP equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. Slope of BP is y minus y2 by x minus x2. But slope of AP, slope of BP is -1, implies y minus y1 by x minus x1 into y minus y2 by x minus x2 equal to -1. So x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 and y minus y2 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Understand? Next, some important notations like in our pair of straight lines S, S1, S11, S12 and S22 like that. Here S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then S1 is equal to x1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f y plus y1 plus c equal to 0, and then S12 is x1 plus x1 x2 like x1 plus x2. Let us suppose that notations, we'll use these notations regularly, so try to remember them. First one, Suppose s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then s1 is equal to xx1 plus yy1 plus gx plus x1 plus fy plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Second thing, S12 is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus gx1 plus x2 f y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. Third one is S11 is x1. Let us suppose that x1 plus y1 plus and then gx1 plus x1 plus f y1 plus y1 plus c equal to 0, which is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. So S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. And fourth one, S22 is equal to x2 square plus y2 square plus 2gx2 plus 2fy2 plus c. Right? So that is about the notations. Next, position of a point. Position of a point is very important here. Suppose it is a circle, center NC. I am taking a point here. That point lies inside or outside or in the circle. I have to decide here where the point lie, inside, outside or on the circle. At that time, we have to recognize with the help of S11. S11 is nothing but here the position of a point or power of a point is Cp square minus R square, which is equal to S11. Cp square minus R square equal to S11. So S11 is nothing but x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Depend on its value. Suppose S11 greater than 0. S11 greater than 0, which lies outside of a circle. That means the position of a circle S11 greater than 0. Suppose S11 less than 0, then the position of a circle is inside the circle. So this is S11 less than 0. When S1 is equal to 0, then the position of point is this. S11 is equal to 0. Understand? S11 is equal to 0, which lies on circle. S11 greater than 0, which lies exterior of a circle. S11 less than 0, which lies interior of a circle. Right? So, here the point, the position we'll discuss with the help of Cp square minus R square. C is a center and P is any point and R is the radius of a circle. Let us going to solve problems on that, then you can understand very well. And next one is secant through a point P meets a circle s equal to 0, a and b, then power of the point p is given by power of, what is meant by secant first of all? The line which passes through 2 points of a circle is called secant of a circle. First suppose here C is a center and A comma B are any 2 points on the circle. A comma B, A, B are any 2 points on a circle. The line which passes through the points A and B is called secant of a circle. Let's suppose that P x1 comma y1. The theorem is, if a secant through a point meets a circle A and B, then the power of the point P is given by PA PB equal to S11. PA PB is equal to PA dot PB equal to S11. I mean to say PA into PB is equal to S11. So for this, here the distances from P to A and B are, suppose that R1 and R2, then we can get that proof. From a point to the given points, distance is x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to r. The distance from P to any point on a circle is r here. Equation of a line from Px1 y1 is x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r. Here r is a distance from P to any point on a circle, and then let us take any point. R is equal to modulus of R equal to distance from Px1 y1 to x comma y. X comma y is a point on a secant. So x comma y, I mean to say x comma y is any point. X comma y equal to r plus x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. This is x comma y. So we know the equation s is equal to 0 is s is equal to 0. What is s equal to 0? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square x1 plus r cos theta whole square plus y1 plus r sin theta whole square plus 2z x1 plus r cos theta plus 2f y1 plus r sin theta equal to 0. Now which becomes x1 square plus r square cos square theta r square sin square theta, which becomes r square plus 2rx1 cos theta plus y1 square plus 2r y1 sin theta plus 2g x1 plus 2g r cos theta plus 2f y1 plus 2f r sin theta equal to 0, which can be written as r square plus, I am taking here 2r as common, 2r as common, otherwise 2r as common, 2r as common, then which becomes x1 plus g cos theta plus again 2r as common, y1 plus f sin theta plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, 2gx1 plus 2fy1, I forgot to write here plus c, here also we have to write plus c, 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0, which becomes r square plus 2r x1 plus g cos theta plus 2r y1 plus f sin theta plus s11 equal to 0. S11 is equal to 0. Here R1, let us suppose that R1 comma R2 are the roots of, suppose this is 1, are roots of 1. Our roots of 1 means R1 R2, product of R1 and R2 is equal to, here this is 1, R1 and R2 are the roots of 1, their product is equal to 0. Their product is equal to 0 means R1 is equal to AP, comma R2 is equal to BP. That implies R1 and R2 is equal to S11. And R1 and R2 is equal to S11. Once listen here. So R1 and R2 is equal to S11. Here R1 is the distance between A and P, and R2 is distance between P and B, which represents their product is equal to S11. So up to there the theorem is completed. Now we are going to solve problems on this formula. So up to now what we discussed, very first we discussed equation of a circle. Equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So particularly a general equation represents a circle means coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. Next thing is coefficient of xy is equal to 0. That means h is equal to 0. Suppose x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here center is minus g comma minus f. Radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c, and radius of a circle is 1, then that is unit circle. Radius of a circle is 0, then that is point circle with point. Whatever you take in the point, suppose minus g minus f, I am taken as a point, radius is 0, then the point represents minus g minus f, at the same time center also. And then position of a point or power of a point. Position of a point depends on its place, on its position. Lies exterior or interior on the circle, which decides with Cp square minus r square, which is nothing but S11. What is S11 here? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. That is S11. So the point, the distance is positive or negative or equal to 0, depend on that we can decide the position of a point. And from a point, the secant is passing through 2 points of A and B of a circle, then PA into PB is equal to ES11. Up to now we discussed. Now let us solve problems on this. So very first one, that the equation of the circle with center 1, 7 and radius is 5 by 2. First one, equation of the circle with center 1, 7, radius is 5 by 2. See, we know that A comma B is a center, then R is a radius of a circle, then equation form is x minus A whole square plus y minus B whole square is equal to R square, like that, which implies x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square is equal to 5 by 2 whole square. Since A comma B is center and R is radius, then x minus A whole square plus y minus B whole square is equal to R square. Center is here, center is C of R, radius is R. C is equal to A comma B, radius is R, then x minus A whole square plus y minus B whole square is equal to R square. That we used here. implies x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 14y plus 49 equal to 25 by 4, which implies 4x square minus 8x plus 4y square minus 56y and then 200 minus 25 is equal to 175 equal to 0. Here equation is therefore 4x square plus 4y square minus 8x. This is the general. We have to write into general form. What is the general form of a circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 8x minus 56y plus 175 is equal to 0. Clear? Now, next one. Center of a circle is, equation as given. I am going to give you one problem, same model. Center is equal to 2, 3 and radius is 3 by 2. Then find the equation of circle. Second one, center of the circle of x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 equal to 0. Center is minus g minus f. G is equal to, here G is equal to 3 comma f equal to 4. Therefore minus g comma minus f equal to minus 3 comma minus 4. Clear? Next, the power of the point. Third one, the radius of the circle. I am going to find the radius of the circle. Third one, to find the radius of circle we have to find the center first. Radius of the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Center radius of the circle is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Here z equal to 1 and f is equal to minus 2. Center equal to minus g comma minus f equal to minus 1 comma 2. So radius of a circle is, radius is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So square root of minus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square minus of minus plus 4, which is equal to square root of 9, which is equal to 3. Radius is 3. Right? Next one. Fourth one is, the power of the point with respect to the circle is, power of the point is S11. Power of the point S11. Position of the point which lies inside or outside or on the circle? Next is power of the point with respect to fourth problem. Power of the point with respect to -1, 2, with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 3x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. I have to find S11 here. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, which is equal to x1 square. So minus 1 whole square, y1 square, 2 whole square, 2gx1. So I have to find the g value. 2 into g is 3 by 2 x1 minus 1 plus 2f by 1. 2 into f is minus 1, y1 is 2 plus c is 3, which is equal to 1 plus 4 minus 3 minus 4 and then plus 3, which is equal to 1. Therefore, the power of point is the power of point equal to 1. Now, fifth problem. Fifth one is the position of the point P1, 5 with respect to circle. Before that, power of a point we found. Now we are going to find position of a point. Fifth problem. Here position, that means lie inside or outside or on circle. Position P1, 5 with respect to the circle, is x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. Here we have to find S11 again. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. x1 square 1 whole square, y1 square 5 whole square plus 2g. 2g is minus 2 into x1 1 plus 2f is minus 4 into 5 plus 3, which is equal to 1 plus 25 minus 2 minus 20 plus 3, which is equal to 29 minus 22, which is equal to 7. 7 is greater than 0. S11 greater than 0. So which lies outside of a circle. So P lies outside of a circle. Right? So next one. the equation of a circle passing through the endpoints of a diameter is endpoints of a diameter. Endpoints of a diameter, suppose A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Then equation of a circle AB as a diameter is x minus x1 into y x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2. Remember the equation form. Suppose A x1 y1 B x2 y2 as diameter of a circle, then equation of circle is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 equal to 0. Like that, here the 2 points are sixth one started here. The 2 points are 3 comma minus 4 and 4 comma minus 3. 4 comma 3 comma minus 4 and minus 4 comma 3. Minus 4 comma. Then substitute in this formula x minus 3 into x minus x2 is plus 4 plus y minus, that means y plus 4 and y minus, that is y2. y2 is minus 3 equal to 0. So x square plus 4x minus 3x, that is x, and then minus 12 plus y square minus 3y plus 4y plus y, right, minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 24 equal to 0 is required equation. X square plus y square plus x plus y minus 24 equal to 0 is required equation. Therefore required equation is right. Now next one, seventh one, the equation of the circle with center 2 comma 3 and radius 5 is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y equal to 12. The equation of a circle with center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This one, do it as a homework. Substitute in that formula, we can get a equation. Whether it is true or false, we have to decide. Next one, comprehension. S equal to 0 is a circle and p x1 y1 be a point in its plane. Then p lies inside of the circle. S is equal to 0 when s11 less than 0. S11 less than 0 inside, in S11 greater than 0, out S11 equal to 0 on the circle. So the very eighth one also you can decide, because eighth one eighth one will explain, and remaining 9 and 10 you have to do it as homework. Already I explained same model in third problem and second problem. So one of them will explain. Depend on that. Remaining problems you have to solve. You can solve. It is not a matter. Now eighth one. Eighth one is the position of the point. So position and power both are different here. Try to find the difference between position and power. Position. Point is given here 1, 5, and with respect to the circle, S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0 is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. Here you have to find S11. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, which is equal to 1 square plus 5 square plus 2g is equal to minus 2 into 2gx1 1 plus 2f minus 4 into y1 is 5 plus 3, which is equal to 1 plus 25 minus 2 minus 20 plus 3. Understanding? So 29 minus 22, same problem repeated. 7 greater than 0. 7 greater than 0 means which lies outside of a circle. Therefore P lies outside of circle. Right? Outside of circle. Next, 9th one and 10th one same process. You can. Now 11th one. The power of the point A, B, C, D are given here. A explains. Remaining B, C, D you can. Already explained power of a point also. No need to explain again and again. But again once again I am repeating that. Now 11th one, first one. Power of a point. That means S11 whatever the value you will get, that is the power of a point. Position of a point depend on S11 value. We can decide lies outside or inside or on the circle. That is called position of a point. That is the difference. Nothing. So 11th one A. Here P 1, 2 and the circle is S equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 equal to 0. Then S11, let us see. S11 x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g is 6, x1 is 1, 6 into 1 plus 2f is 8, y1 is 2 plus minus 96, right? So 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 16 minus 96, which is equal to 27 minus 96, which is equal to 6 minus 69. Minus 69 is a power of point. Therefore, find the power of the point. Therefore, power of point 1, 2 is equal to minus 69. Right? Now, next one. So, remaining B, C, D, you can. 12th one. The equation of the circle having center and passing through 5 comma 6 is, we have to find the radius here. Center and radius are given, then we can find the equation of a circle, but here center and one point also given. Before going to find the equation of a circle, let us decide the radius of a circle. Radius of a circle is the distance between the 2 points. I mean to say center, from center to any point on a circle is called radius of a circle. 12th one, center is -1 comma 2 and passing through what is that, 5 comma 6 point. Now radius is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, same formula. 5 plus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 36 plus 16, which is equal to root 52. Root 52. So leave it like. Equation of a circle, center a comma b and radius r. Equation of a circle, center -1 comma 2 and radius root 52. Then x minus, I mean to say x plus 1 whole square and y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square. Remember the formula, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 52. So x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 5 and then which becomes minus 47 equal to 0. So that is the equation, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 47 is equal to 0 is the equation of a circle, center -1 comma 2 and passing through the point 5 comma 6. Right? Next, the equation of the circle which is a concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 and passing through the point. We know that the concentric circles are differ with only constant, right? Now 13th. Now 13th. See, equation of the concentric circle with equation of the circle which is a concentric with circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 minus 12 equal to 0 and passing through the point, passing through the point. What is the point here? Minus 2 comma 14. See, we know that the concentric circles differ with only constant. Let us suppose that equation of a concentric circle is equation of concentric circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus suppose any constant lambda equal to 0, which is passing through the point minus 2 comma 14. 0, which is passing through minus 2 comma 14, then minus 2 whole square plus 14 whole square minus 6 into minus 2 minus 4 into 14 plus lambda equal to 0. Now 4 plus 196 plus 12 plus minus 56 plus lambda equal to 0. See here 212 minus 56, 212 minus 56 plus lambda equal to 0, which becomes 6 and then 6 and 15, 156. 156 plus lambda equal to 0, so lambda is equal to minus 156, right? Therefore required equation is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 156 equal to 0. Minus 156 is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6x minus 4y minus 156 is equal to 0. Minus 6x minus 4y. Right? Next,